Students of 9B in the period of mathematics, chapter 8, triangles and their congruency is going on. We are solving exercise 8.1. In question number 2, the exterior angles obtained on producing the side, mind here, on producing the side of a triangle both ways. On producing the side of a triangle both ways are 100 degree and 120 degree. Find all angles of a triangle. For that, we consider a triangle ABC. Let us consider there is a triangle ABC. A, B and C. As it is given in the question, the side of triangle is produced both ways. So only one side of the triangle is produced both ways. Let that side is AB, that is produced both ways. And there are exterior angles 100 degree and 120 degree respectively. This is the diagram. In this, we are asked to find out the angles of a triangle. For that, we write angle A equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Reason I am writing here is straight angle. Because this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree, therefore this angle equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, that is equal to 80 degree. So angle A became equal to 80 degree. Similarly, angle B equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. For this also, we write the reason is straight angle. So this is equal to 60 degree. This angle became 60 degree. Now angle C is left. We write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Why? These are the sum of angles. The sum of angles of a triangle. We come to this part. Implies that the value of angle A is 80 degree. The value of angle B is 60 degree. And angle C, that is equal to 180 degree. If we add this, we got 140 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle C equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree equal to 40 degree. So the angles of triangle, angle A equal to 80 degree, angle B equal to 60 degree and angle C equal to 40 degree. These are answers. Now question number 3. This is the figure, and in this figure we are asked to find out the value of x in terms of y. Find the value of x, not like that. Find the value of x in terms of y. And one more thing is given in the question: calculate x if y equal to 15 degree. Mind this statement. To find the value of x in terms of y, means x equal to how much y, that is asked to find out. And the second question is, if y will be equal to 15, then what is the value of x in this given figure? We start the solution. We can say exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite, the sum of interior opposite, the sum of interior opposite angles. Here exterior angle is 2x minus y, and interior opposite angle is x plus 5 plus 2y plus 25. We are asked to find out the value of x, so we change the terms containing x, 2x minus x, this y will go that side, this side is minus y, after going that side it will be plus y, plus 2y, and this plus this equal to 30 degree. 2x minus x equal to x, 3y plus 30 degree. This is the value of x in terms of y. Now, if y equal to 15, right, since y equal to 15, therefore x equal to 3 into 15 plus 30 degree, 45 plus 30, 45 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 75 degree. In question number 4, in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q equal to 130 degree, angle P plus angle R equal to 120 degree. Calculate each angle of the triangle. Means we are asked to find out the value of angle P, angle Q and angle R. Since the sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and those three angles are angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, that is equal to 180 degree. This angle P plus angle Q, this is given 130 degree. So I wrote here 130 degree plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Implies that angle R equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree equal to 50 degree. angle R equal to 50 degree. Now, since second information is angle P plus angle R equal to 120 degree. Angle P plus 50 degree, that is the value of R, equal to 120 degree. Implies that angle P equal to 120 degree minus 50 degree. Therefore, angle P equal to 70 degree. Now, one angle is left, that is angle Q. We come to this equation, angle P plus angle Q equal to 130 degree. Here, angle P is 70 degree plus angle Q equal to 130 degree. Implies that angle Q equal to 130 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore, angle Q equal to 60 degree. So, these three angles are angle P equal to 70 degree, angle Q equal to 60 degree, and angle R equal to that is 50 degree. This is the